Hi, and welcome to week 5, Interpreting New Testament Gospels. So this week we're moving from a review of Old Testament genres and moving into really how do we interpret the New Testament and how might that be different or similar to the Old Testament. For assignment 5.1, we have a paper using the 5.1 literary forms in the gospel explanation sheet and the steps laid out in audio lecture number 13, evaluate Matthew chapter 8, verses 28 to 34. Write up your understanding of the passage in around 2 pages. So first do your reading, second look at the form, third look at the lecture, and then walk through step by step how to interpret the Gospels, and in this case, Matthew 8, verses 8 to 34. We also have a discussion post. After reading Bailey's article on interpreting parables, find 2 sermons or interpretive works, articles, essays, commentaries, outline or online, focused on the interpretation of the parable of the prodigal son in the book of Luke. Compare and contrast the interpretations and discuss the strengths and weaknesses of the interpretations and the manner in which you understand the parable. Be sure to cite the sources so students can check what you read. So the idea here is to really do, one, your understanding of the prodigal son and its meaning in the book of Luke, but then look outside and see how other pastors or scholars have interpreted it and see if their interpretation is in line with what you learned this week on how to interpret a parable by yourself. Last thoughts, don't forget, that Thanksgiving is next week, and work ahead this week to prepare. Email or call me with any questions, and have a great week. I really appreciate all of your hard work this semester.